So let's go ahead and talk about the last part of 11.02 final project. Remember, there are 3 different parts. We've already reviewed how to format the flyer, how to format the spreadsheet, and now we're going to look at how to format the presentation, which is the last part of the assignment of 11.02. So you'll see here in the directions over here it says, create a presentation with images and transitions. The problem is that Tanya plans to promote the center by making a presentation at an upcoming conference for the local Chamber of Commerce. She would like you to create a presentation from her notes to accompany her speech. The instructions are, use the typed notes shown in Figure 4 to create the presentation. Use a theme of your choice. So here's Figure 4, presentation notes. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 slides. So let's go ahead and format each of those. Slide 1, which is the title slide, we're going to include in the title, Unique Physique. The subtitle is Reshape Your Body and Mind. So I'm going to click into the subtitle area and I'm going to type in Reshape Your Body and Mind. Real easy. Slide 2, that means I go up here and I go to New Slide, hit the down arrow. I choose another title slide, and here I am on my slide 2. The title is Colorado is Always in Season. Click in the title area. The subtitle are all 4 of these, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, which will all be formatted the same. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and move up the title. And I'm going to type in the sub area, spring. And this I want to be left aligned. So I'm going to click over here in my alignment area. I'm going to click on left align. So I'm going to type spring. And then I'm going to hit enter and tab. I'm going to hit type mountain. No, spring is what? Kayaking, hot air balloon, fine dining. Summer is mountain biking, relaxing, by pool, which I'd like to do now, and golfing. Hit enter, type autumn, hit enter, tab, festivals, beautiful foliage, hiking. Hit enter, type winter, enter tab, and list the activities. Alright, so you'll notice that obviously my type is much too small, or is too large to fit in that area, so I need to pull that down and make it larger to fit my type. And now I just need to go ahead and realign everything. So there we go. You'll notice that I have a spelling error, which they pointed out to me there. Remember that I can go to review, and choose it to check my spelling. It's telling me that snowboarding is incorrect, and that's the correct spelling here, so I'm going to change it, and now it's correct. Slide 3. So I need to go add another slide. Go to Home, go to New Slide, choose my new slide. Slide 3 is going to say New at Unique Physique in the title. My subtitle is these three things listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and in the subtitle area, type those in. Slide 4, I go back up, I ask it to add a new slide. And this one is Visiting Unique Physique. I'm going to click to add text. I'm going to add these three items listed here. So I typed in these three items on that last or fourth slide. So now I'm going to move down in my instructions to Instructions Part 2. Perform the following steps. On slide 1, so I'm going to go back to slide 1, change the font size of the title, Unique Physique, to 72. Change the font style to italic, and the color to a complementary color that enhances your theme. And if you remember earlier, we've been using greens and purples and blues. So those are one of the three colors I'm going to choose. So first I'm going to change this font size to 72. I highlight, go to my font size, drop down and choose 72. The font style is italic. Remember, this is bold, italic, and underline. I'm going to choose italics. And a color that fits my theme. So I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to choose a color that fits my theme. I'm going to choose blue, and Reshape Your Body I'll change to green. Next it says on slide 2, insert clip art that represents the information on the slide. Make sure the clip art is sized appropriately. So slide 2, I'm going to insert clip art. So I'm going to insert online pictures because I don't have anything saved to my computer. I'm going to type in my search, what it's asking for. So I'm going to say seasons of the year. And I'm going to choose any one of these pictures that I'd like. Let's try this one just because it's cool. Click on it, hit insert, and there's my picture. Now obviously it's much too large, so I'm going to resize it so that it fits on my page, and I can put it wherever I'd like. Wherever it looks cool, I can put it here, I can put it here, wherever I want. I'm going to put it there. Then it says on slide 2, format the text by choosing a color of your choice and a font size that works with the image. Remember that we want this large enough so that our audience from across the room can read it. Again, I'm going to resize the title and move it so that it's not in the way. I'm going to highlight this text there, and I'm going to choose a color of my choice and a font size that works with the image. So I'm going to choose a new color. And this time I'll choose that same dark green just because it's cool and it fits the theme. And I'm going to make my font size a little bigger so that my audience clear across the room can read it. Let's see if this works once I get it all It's a little bit too big, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down a little bit. There. Does that work? Nope, still too big. Now you'll see that I have to replace my picture because it didn't fit where it was, and I want it to fit appropriately. There we go. Next it says, on slides 3 and 4, format the text by choosing a color of your choice and a font size that's readable. Save the presentation as center presentation your name. And that's it for the rest of it. So let's go to slide 3. I'm going to highlight my title. I'm going to change the text to a cool color. Maybe this time I'll make it purple. I'm going to Change that to a color that fits the rest of my theme. And I'm going to do similar with the last slide. This time I'm going to switch the colors around. I'll make these purple. You can be as creative as you'd like here, just so that you follow the instructions here in the directions. Remember to make these a size that is large enough for your audience to see on both of these. And that's it. That is the last part of 11.02's graded assignment. Turn in all three of these items together. The presentation, the spreadsheet, which we did earlier, and the flyer as well. Turn all three of those in together into 11.02. Then go on to 11.03 and finish that. Good luck.